Okay, good morning to all. Very good morning, Abigail, Joshua, Abigail, Jehovan, please turn on camera.
Good morning, sir.
Oh
Good
my
morning,
god,
sir.
I can't hear you guys.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning to all. So you can see that I'm wearing a jacket because it's cold here. And Jehovan, I'm jealous of you because you are just your fan is switch on. And I love summer basically, not winter, because I personally feel a lot of cold. Okay, so Jehovan, stop stop this thing. Okay, yeah. I mean, just kidding. Oh, you can turn on your camera. Okay, so yeah, good morning to all. Ezekiel, yesterday you missed the class. Can I get the reason for that, please?
So yesterday,
Yes, sorry.
there was class yesterday.
Why wasn't it? There was class,
Yesterday was Sunday, right?
huh?
Yesterday it was Sunday, right? Yesterday it was Monday. My bad. I was traveling. I was
Yeah, that's
attending.
correct.
I was attending a camp over the weekend. There was one church camp, and then on Monday I was traveling back. So my train was from 9 to 1. So
Oh, yeah, then it's correct. So you said yesterday it was Sunday and it is very bad. Very. Okay. Joshua, turn on your camera, please. And Hannah, turn on your camera, please. For your kindly information, guys, you're not giving me homework. That's very bad. Jehovah and Joshua, why you're not giving me homework? What happened?
I was traveling yesterday, sir.
Okay. Why only Hannah is giving homework on time? Hannah, why only you are giving homework? Why? Tell me the answer of that. Hannah, tell me the answer. Ezekiel, can you tell me the answer? Why Hannah only giving the homework?
I mean, the day I was there at home, and I gave.
Oh my God.
I guess she's more, I guess, ambitious or
So
more
there,
responsible.
yeah, good. She is more responsible. Okay, I'll ask from Abigail. Abigail, can you hear me? Abigail, can you hear me, Abigail?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah,
I
this
was asking, I was asking that why only Hannah is giving homework. Can you tell me the reason why?
um because I'm lazy to submit it, but I did do it. I did the homework. I just didn't submit it. That's all.
Okay.
But sir,
So now this,
I think my
mm,
answer is wrong.
so we'll do one more question based on yesterday's class. Okay, you guys do it. Okay, and then we will try to write it down. Okay, so I'll give you one question, and then we will check it out that are you getting correct answer or not. And if you will not send it to me, then how will I check it? So please send it to me regular your homework in the group, because the group is just for that, not for that please give me the homework or like this. I will put the comments. And one more thing, yeah, next Monday. I joined you in the group now, Sam.
I don't think so, sir. I
Mama,
think you
sorry.
the NIOS group, sir, or like you have a separate group, the NIOS
No,
group, or
separated group. Our NXT class group. Mama, I joined Mama's number. You have another number, then you send it
yeah,
to me.
sir. Yeah, I'll send it.
Okay, you send it to me, and then you submit your homework in that group. Okay, okay. So let's see now. Can boys can beat Hannah or not in submitting the homework? Because none of boys submitted me the homework on time. Okay, many times, every time Hannah, and many times Abigail. Rarely time Ezekiel. Okay. So please submit your homework. Okay, because submitting your homework will, I will know that you are getting it, the concept or not. Okay. So we'll do this question in the class. So for the Ezekiel also, so that he can understand it also. Okay. Now I will write the values, and those who know, please do it. Okay. Don't wait for me. Okay. Everyone, please write it down. Write this table. Ezekiel, draw this table. Then I will make you to understand what we did yesterday. Quickly, quickly. I'm giving you 2 minutes. And Sam, try to connect on time 10. Okay. If you connect 5 minutes later, then it will be delayed in starting the concept.
Sir, which method do we have to solve it?
Assume me. Only assume me. And today we'll do the step division also, the new method. I will speak to Ezekiel only. You guys, please do it. Don't see on the board, okay? I want you to do it by yourself. Only Ezekiel will see the board.
Sir, one thing I forgot to ask yesterday, sir. For FI, how are you getting those numbers in the FI column, sir?
Fi is the frequency, and it's basically given in the question only. Okay,
Oh,
you
so
don't
it's
have to
given in
find
the
any
question.
Fi.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it will be given in the question only. Like question will come like this only. Okay, and then we have to solve it to find the mean. Yes.
Should I like? Is there another way to solve this question, or should I like guess all?
Yeah. Yesterday we learned another way.
Okay.
In the previous to previous class, like Friday class, we learned with the direct method FI But yesterday we started a new method, so that's why I want them to do the question, and we will solve it and understand the question. Okay, now Ezekiel, please pay attention. Okay, first of all, class interval and frequency is given. Now we have to find xi. Xi is the middle term of the uh, row. So, for example, 0 to 10. So, what is the middle is 5. Okay, how I solve it? 0 plus 10 by 2, which is 10 by 2, which is 5. Understood? Ezekiel? Please pay attention because the step deviation is based on this only, assuming. Okay, so we have to be conscious about that. Okay, so in the same way, the middle term of this second term, please unmute your mic and say, Ezekiel. Yes, next, quickly.
25.
35, 45,
55.
and 55. Okay, now we have to, because we are solving with the assuming method, so the formula of the assuming method is x bar is equals to summation of, no, x bar is equals to a plus summation of fi di upon summation of fi. Okay, Joshua, are you doing it or not?
Yeah, I'm doing it, sir.
Summation of
Okay.
Fi.
Di, fi di. We'll find it out. We'll find it out. Just give me a second. Don't write it down now. Okay, I'll give you time to write. Just listen. Okay, so now first what we have to calculate, we have to find it out a, because a is also there in the formula. Now a is the assumed number. A is what? A is nothing else, but a is a assumed number. Assumed number is like you are assuming that the mean will come in the middle of this xi value. Like 5 and 55 is there. So what is the middle value of this? 25 or 35, because it's an even number. So we have two numbers which is in the middle. Understood? For example, like if I will choose 25. So on the top, two numbers are there, and on the bottom, three numbers are there. It's not middle. Okay. If I will choose 35, on top three numbers are there, and on bottom 2 numbers are there. So it's not middle. So in this case, because it's an even number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can choose any value of 25 or 35 which is coming in the middle. Understood? Okay. So it means that A will become what? 25. Yes or no?
Can you repeat that again?
See, A is the middle value. So in this case, we are getting two middle values. So out of two, you can take any number. You can take 25 also, you can take 35 also. There is no problem in that. Okay.
Okay.
But if this number is not there, for example, if 55 is not there, so how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now in this case, what is the middle value? 25 is the middle value. Why? Because above 25 is 2 is there and below 25 2 is there. So it's a middle value, na? So we can take 25. But in this case, we can take two values. Either you can take 25 or either you can take 35, your choice. Understood?
Yeah.
Now we will find the new column which is called as DI. The formula for DI is xi minus A. What is the formula? Xi minus A. Now Ezekiel, pay attention. Now what is the A?
25.
And in the first row, what is xi?
5,
So 5 minus 25. What is the answer?
20. So 5 minus 25
Hmm.
will become minus 20.
Yeah. Now in the next row, what would the answer will be there?
It will
In
be
this.
10 minus 25. 10
Hmm.
minus 10
Then next,
become just 0.
next,
It will become 10,
next,
20,
next.
30.
Very good. Now next we have to find FIDI. FIDI is the DI value which you got into FI. Okay. So just tell me the answer. You go minus 40, minus 90, 0, 70, 40, and 240. Understood? Yes. Now summation of FIDI we have to do. What you have to do? Summation of FIDI. Now what is summation of FIDI? It means you have to add all this number. So can you solve it and tell me the answer? Minus 40, 40, 0, minus 20, 220. So FIDI value you are getting is 220. Like addition of this number, you will get answer as 220. Understood? Now we have to put into the formula. What is the formula? X bar is equals to A plus summation of FIDI upon summation of Fi. Now A, what is A? A is 25 and plus summation of FIDI is 220 upon summation of Fi. What is the answer of this? We have to find it out. Summation of Fi. So 2, 9, 11, 13, 20, 20 and 30. So it will become 30. This and this will cut. So it will become 25 plus 7 point. What's the answer? 7 point. Then 1 will come. Then 7.33.
Sir,
And
I
then
got
it will go.
32.
Sir, is it submission of FI 32?
Sorry. What are you saying? Jehovan? Sorry. Say it again.
Submission of FI was 32, not 30.
32. 2, 9, 11, 15, 22. 32. Sorry. My aim was to make it 30. So I need to start it again. So it will become 11. It will become 16. Okay. Yes. No. No. 110. Okay. 220 upon 32 become 110. It will become 16. It will become 55. It will become 8. So it will become 8 at 200 plus 55 upon 8, which will be 255 by 8. And if you will solve it, it will become 30. And then 1 will left. So 31 point something. You're getting what's the answer? 31. And then 7 will left. 7, 8 plus 64. 6 will left. 7 plus 56. Is this the answer? You guys getting?
I got the same answer.
Hmm.
It-
Okay. Understood, Ezekiel? Yes? Okay.
So,
Now, this method is called as assume mean method. So if they ask you to solve with assume mean method, even if you will solve with the direct method like fi xi1 wala formula, say if you will do, then also you will get the same answer. And if you will do with this method, you will get the same answer. So the answer will be same, but the methods are different. As I told you, you can hold here like this also, and you can hold here like this also. Okay. So the holding, the main goal is holding here, but the methods are different. Yes or no? Okay. Now we'll solve with the step deviations. Shall I raise this? Abigail, are you getting the same answer or you did some mistake?
Sir, I'm getting 31.75.
Why? You ate 8?
I don't know.
Okay. It's okay. You just check it out. You're getting fraction same or not.
I actually took the A as 35.
Even if you will take that also, you will get the same answer. No problem in that.
Okay, then I'll
You just show me. I mean, you should send me then the group, and then I will check it out what mistake it is.
Okay.
Okay. See, guys, group is for you guys, not for me. You have to use the group. Okay. WhatsApp is just send me the message that this group is very silent. Okay. So please make it bit like you use the group. Okay. Please send me the doubts. Send me the questions. Okay. Yeah. One thing I have to tell you: Monday, 25. Monday there'll be the test of statistics in maths. And in science, if you're opting for the science, who's students who are opting for the science, we will have test of control and coordination. Control and coordination. We have completed the
this is
chapter control
class
and
test,
coordination.
right?
Yeah, class test.
Which math chapter is
And
it?
in maths, there will be this chapter, the same chapter which we are doing. And in science,
Okay.
there will be control and coordination. But one more thing I want to tell it to you. This is very important. Now listen, guys. Mark this date. The date is on 22 December. Okay. Please listen carefully. 22 December. I will send the chapters. There will be a half-yearly examination. Okay. Half-yearly examination 2024. I am repeating again. 22 December. Now, what will happen? 22 December, I will send you the paper. It will be 3 hours test. Now, in that 3 hours test, you're not allowed to go anywhere else. Not allowed to play like you are giving tests and then you're playing with your brother and then again come back. No. In that test, Mama will sit with you guys. Like I'm giving you time till 30 December. Like I will send you the paper on 22 December. You guys have time till 30 December. So till 30 December, whenever you are getting 3 hours free with Mama. Okay. So Mama will sit with you guys. Like for the 3 hours, we what are the main goal of that is we want you to experience the 3 hours pressure or the nervousness and that thing. Okay. So I will take 8 chapter to 9 chapter in maths and 8 chapter to 9 chapter in science. Okay. So in that test, what you have to do, you have to for the 3 hours properly, like it understand like this that you are giving examination in NIS hall. Okay. properly you have to sit for 3 hours. No disturbance I want. No like no watching TV. No. It's not, it shouldn't be like that. Only one water bottle is allowed. Your compass box is allowed. Normal box is allowed. Okay. And if you want to go washroom, you can go, but not multiple times. Okay. So that's restriction I want to give it to you. Okay, so that you can properly give your test. Okay, we will have holiday from 23 December to 3 January, not more than that. But for that 10 days, I want you to, uh, whenever you're getting time, please submit the paper. Okay, after 30 December, I will consider it as fail. Okay, 30 December is the last day. I know we are very busy of the Christmas program, so I'm not giving 25 December as the last date. No, after Christmas, I believe that everyone has time. Okay, for 3 hours to sit for 3 hours with Mama and to submit the test. Okay, I will take 7 to 8 chapter. I will send it to you guys. Okay, please uh, be if you have any doubt, you can ask me doubts also till 20 December. So 20 December you have, like if you have multiple doubts for the one class, we will take that doubt session. I will send the chapters which are coming in your half yearly examination today only. Okay, today only I will send after the class. Okay, these chapters are coming in your half yearly examination, so please be prepared. Okay. For that half yearly examination, I want proper rule book. Okay, like rule book should be there, and you have to write the answers. 1 mark question, one answer. 2 marks question, two answers. MCQs, answers. Okay, and after 3 hours, you are not allowed to write anything. After 3 hours, if some questions are left, I strictly tell it to you. Do not write it. Okay, you can do one thing, that you can just cross it and you can write it the answers after this, so that I can understand it that okay, 3 hours she completed or he completed here only. Okay, understood, guys? Yes or no? Hmm? So it will be proper half yearly examination test. Okay, and it will be honesty. Like with honesty, you have to do. Okay. I'll ask God to be with you. Okay, in that midst, so that there'll be no dishonesty will be there. But with honesty, with Mama, I want Mama also to sit. Okay, we'll have one parent teacher meeting also, like in the coming days. So in that, I will give you the progress report also, and in that, I'll discuss about the examination also. Okay, guys. So start preparing for your exam from now only. Okay. And for the Abigail, because your examination is in October. Okay. So I'll try to give that chapter which are coming in your exam. You just appear in that exam. Okay. Try to solve it by yourself. Like I know some chapters you did it by yourself. So just try it. If you're not getting, don't be discouraged. Okay. Uh, Maximum question you can do it. Okay. I'm not expecting to do all the questions, but if you have any doubt regarding the chapter, you can ask me. No problem in that. But I will take doubt class on the multiple doubts, not in one doubt only. So please find the doubts. Okay, and those chapters which we did with the Abigail, please give me the answer of that only. If you are able to give the another question answers also, you can give it. No problem. Okay, guys. Yes or no? So are you nervous? Who is nervous? Who is nervous? Whose heart rate is like 182 times? Start. Nobody nervous? Good. Okay. So now we will do the step deviation method. Step deviation method. Okay, everyone turn on camera, please. Okay. Step deviation method. So for example, we will do it step deviation method. No? So just give me a second. Okay, now we'll understand the step division methods. Now everyone put your pen down. Don't write anything, okay? Hannah, put your pen down. Hannah, hands up. Perfect. Okay, so now step division method is also very easy method, and it's based on assume mean. Okay, when we understand the assume mean method, we will definitely get the step division method also. Okay, now formula for the step division method is x bar is equals to a plus summation of fi ui upon summation of fi into h. Okay, now in this, what is x bar? X bar is basically the mean. A is basically the assumed number, which we will about to do in the assuming method also, no? Same thing. And H is basically the class difference. Class difference in class interval. Okay, we'll solve it. We'll solve it. For example, the question is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. And the numbers are given like 2, 3, 9, 7, 2. Okay. Now, first, it's the same thing. We have to find the value of xi, and xi is the middle value. So 0 to 5, 0 to 10, 5 is the middle one. In the same way, 15, in the same way, 25. Are you guys getting it till here? Any problem in that? Any problem in that? No. Okay. Now we have to find the value of di as we di. So di is basically what? Xi minus a. Now we have to assume it. So what is the middle value is equal in this xi column? What is the middle value?
For which also?
This xi column has the middle value. What is the middle value?
You have written it down, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
my
wrote.
bad.
What is the a? In what will you take a in this question?
25.
25, because it's coming
Sir,
in the
can you
middle.
repeat,
That's
sir?
it.
I didn't hear the last couple of things you said.
Yeah. So first we wrote the formula. The formula means x bar is basically mean, a is assumed, h is the class difference. I will tell you what is class difference, and then I give you the question, and then we find the xi value. And Ezekiel suggests that 25 will be the a assumed value, like we did in the assume mean method. The same till here is the same. Then we'll find the di value. So it will become minus 20. It will become minus 10. It will become 0. It will become 10. And it will become 20. Understood, guys? Any problem in this, Sam? No? No? Now we will find the value of FIDI. No. Sorry. We will find the value of UI. Now UI is what? UI is basically DI upon H. Di upon H. Now, H is what? H is the class difference. H is what? Can you repeat with me? Class difference. Now, what is the difference between them? Upper limit and lower limit in this question? Can you tell me, anybody unmute your mic and say what is the difference between them?
10.
Yeah, say 10. 10. So, now Di in this case is 20. So, it will become 20 upon 10. So, it will become minus 2. Guys, did you understand? No. Yes, Joshua? Did you understand? No? Di is minus 20, and
One more
the
time, can you
class
repeat?
difference. Yeah, I'm repeating again. See, Di is minus 20. Yes. And the difference between the class is 10. So 20 minus 20 upon 10 is minus 2. Next, can you tell me, Joshua, what is the next value?
So it becomes like 10 to the 20, like that.
20 to the 10. 20 upon 10. No?
Yeah, so how does that minus 2 come?
See, Di is minus 20. And
Okay.
what's the difference between the class?
5.
No, 0 to 10.
Oh, I thought the middle one.
10, no, not middle one. 10 minus 0 is 10. So minus 20 upon 10.
Oh, okay.
Next value you tell me.
So 10 to 20.
No. In this, the class difference is same, which is 10. So you have to divide the value 10 with the di.
Oh, divide 10
Understood?
divide 10
Yeah.
with the DI. Okay.
Yeah. So what will be the answer? It will become -1. The next will be 0, then it will become 1, and it will become 2. Everyone understood? Still any problem, guys? Anna, pens down. Okay. Did you understand, guys? Everyone understood? Jahoan, did you understand, beta? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next we have to find the value of FIUI. Yes, Abigail, you're saying something.
No, sir. I just got disconnected and joined.
Okay, did you understand this thing? UI value?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now we will do FIUI. FIUI means this multiplication of FI and this with UI. So it will become -4. It will become -4. It will become -3. Become 0. Become 7. It will become 4. Then we have to do submission of FI. UI means you have to add all this number. So it will become 11. No, so it will become 4. So the answer will be 4. Okay. Now we have to put the value into this. X bar is equals to A plus summation of Fi ui upon
So what is
summation of
FIUI?
Fi. Fi ui is basically the multiplication of this ui value with the Fi, which is 2 into -2, which is -4.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Okay. So X bar is equals to A. What is A? A is assumed value which we got, which is 25 plus. What is FIUI? FIUI is 4 upon what is Fi? Fi, can you calculate the Fi? Summation of Fi? So 2, 3, 5, 5, 14, 14 or
23.
2. Yeah, 23. 23 into 10. Okay. So X bar is equals to 25 plus 40 upon 23. And if you will divide it, then you will get X bar is equals to 25 plus, I have to use my brain. Let me use my brain. Where's my brain? I got my brain. 40 divided by 23. Okay, let me calculate it. It should become 1.73. X bar, I got 26.73. Understood, guys? Did you understand? Everyone show me a thumbs up
Which
if you didn't
method is
understand
called?
the step derivation method.
So this is
Sam, did you
also for
understand?
finding mean, sir.
Say mean. Say mean. But
Okay.
if you will
And u
observe, yes. Sorry.
and u is equal to di by 10.
H. Like in this case, H is 10, is the class difference is 10. But in every question, it won't be 10.
So they'll mention in the question when it changes.
No. For example, class H is basically the class difference. The class difference is this. What is the difference between this class? Is 10. In this also 10, 10, 10, 10. If it is 2, 2, 2, 2, then the H will become 2.
Okay.
Write it down, everyone. So if you will observe the three method which we did, first is direct method, second is assuming method, and third is step deviation method. So in the direct method, we have to do a lot of multiplication and the addition thing. In the assuming method, it becomes very less. And in the step division, you can easily solve it. So what's the meaning of that? This meaning of that is for the calculation, if it will become easy, so the error will become less. If more calculation will be there, then there will be the chances of getting the answers wrong or approximately. But if the error is less, then what will happen? your calculation, your data, your mean will be correct. Understood, Sam? Joshua?
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is breaking. Can you say that again?
Okay, what was I say? That three types of method we did. Direct method. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Three types of method we learned: direct method, assuming method, or what that method? Step deviation method. So in the direct method, the values are very big. Multiplication you have to do in each number, and the addition and then division. So the values are big. So there will be the chance of error also, like mistakes you can do. So then assuming method, the calculation become less. Yes, the calculation become less. So the easy calculation you did and you got the answer. And in step deviation method, it becomes or calculation become easy, you get the easy answer. So when the calculation is easy, then there is a less chance of getting error in your answer. That's why there are three methods. Are. Quickly write it down. Sam, do you wrote this?
Yes, sir. I will.
Hmm. I'm giving two more minutes. Okay. So now, is this a begin? Or are you writing?
Sir, 1 minute. I'll take a screenshot.
Mhm.
Done, sir.
Hmm. So this is what we learned about the step deviation method. Okay, so today we'll do one question. Okay, I'll give you a small question so that we can complete it in win time. And you guys have to solve it because I guess there is no need of solving me. You guys just tell me the answers. And if everyone are getting the answers correct, then we'll say that you guys understand them.
We have to use the step division method, sir.
Yeah, only step deviation. Do this question, guys. Okay, done, guys? Chalo. Done, guys? Jahoan, Abigail, done?
Almost just doing the canceling last step.
Okay, you send me the answer in the group. We'll end the class. We'll start with the science class. Guys, you have only 2 minutes. Jahoan, Joshua, Ezekiel, you have only 2 minutes. Come back in 2 minutes. Till then, bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, come back. Turn on the camera, guys. Everyone, turn on the camera, please, please, please. Okay, today we will learn a new chapter. Today we will learn a new chapter. About chapter number 17, magnetic effects of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. Joshua, turn on the camera, please. Yeah. So in the magnetic effect of electric current, what we learn that electric current, when it passes through a current carrying conductor, when a current carrying conductor, okay, in that electric current is passed through, then it generates some magnetic power. So we will learn about that in this chapter. Okay. So basically, when an electric current passes through a current carrying conductor or a coil, then magnetic field is produced around it. This is basically called as magnetic effect of electric current. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Hello? Yeah. So we will learn about this. So first of all, we will understand about the magnet. Now, what is the magnet? Okay. So can Joshua read this? Joshua, please read this.
So this is the magnets and its properties.
Yeah.
Magnet has always been a thing of awe, use, and attraction for humans. According to history, the use of magnets were discovered by the ancient Greeks during the period of Greek civilization. They found stones which were able to attract iron and nickel like other substances. This naturally occurring stones, which was discovered then, is called an iodistone. This is an oxide of iron. The property of attraction of small particles of iron towards uh, iodide stone is called a
So
magnetism.
basically, is it iodic stone or is it L or is it I?
Uh, I think it's L or I don't know.
I guess it's L, no? Lodestone, I guess, or iodine stone.
Oh, I think it's lodestone. Yeah, it's L.
Yeah, it's L, lodestone. So basically, in our environment, in nature, there are some stone are there, uh, which just give me a second. Yeah. So in our that thing in our nature, there are basically one stone is there which is called as lodestone. What stone is called? It is called as lodestone, which attract iron and nickel. Okay, which attract iron and nickel. Okay, so that stone is basically a natural magnet. Understood? Okay, so basically that जो lodestone पाया जाता है, the lodestone which is found in the nature, it's basically they attract iron, nickel, cobalt. So that's why from that magnetism work come. Okay, this is an oxide of iron, and the properties of attraction of iron particles towards the lodestone is basically called as magnetism. Understood? Yes or no? Now, can you read here? It has been.
It has been often seen that the magnetic force of attraction these natural magnets is such less and thus these magnets cannot be used for practical purposes. Strong magnets made of iron, nickel, and lead are made artificially and used for practical purposes. Those magnets are also called as permanent magnet.
So
So,
basically, there are the natural magnets. They are found in the form of lodestone. They are weak magnets. They are not powerful as the strong magnets. Okay, so these weak magnets is basically called as the natural magnets. But if I will talk about the strong magnet, they are made up of iron, nickel, and lead. Okay, they are made by the artificial means. Okay, artificially means they make and they have a great force of attraction towards the iron and nickel. Understood? No. Did you understand? Hmm? Okay, can you read this?
these strong magnets can be made in various shapes and creates its own persistent magnetic field. The magnets that are commonly available in different shapes are bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, rectangular magnet, horseshoe magnet, and circular magnet.
So you can see, I guess diagram is there. Yes, perfect. You can see the diagram. There are these types of magnets are found. Jashwan, are you there with me? Can you understand this thing? Jashwan? Okay. So basically, you can see that there are different types of magnets are there. These are circular magnets. These are the bar magnet. These are horseshoe magnet because in the form of horseshoe. These are the rectangular magnet and these are cylindrical magnet. So basically, these types of magnets are found not in the nature, but it form artificially made up of iron, nickel, and cobalt, and have the property of attraction, great force of attraction, so that they can show the property of magnetism. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Are you getting any disturbance from my side? No. Okay. So can you read this, Joshua, please? No, no. You can read from here only. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes, Sam.
Sir, sorry, sir. My laptop died and my dog, she bit the original laptop charger, sir, and the backup one is very slow, sir.
Yeah, I
Don't
know,
know.
I know. It's okay. So
And
we just started this. Yeah,
no, continue, sir.
yeah. So we just started this chapter. In this, we started the chapter number, I guess, 2017, the magnetic effect of electric current. And in this chapter, we learn about the magnets, how the magnet forms, how it forms. So we just started this chapter today only. In this, we learned that there are some natural magnets are there. It is called as lodestone. They are weak, not as stronger force of attraction as the strong magnet, but they are weak in nature. They attract iron, cobalt, and nickel. And then we learned about some permanent magnet which are made artificially by the man. Okay, and they have the greater force of attraction as compared to the natural magnet. And we learned the type: the bar magnet, cylindrical magnet, horseshoe magnet, circular magnet. And just we saw the diagram of that also. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay. Now can you read this?
1 second, sir. What
Yes.
page, sir? I'll open for my textbook.
Page number 395, module number 4.
395.
Yeah. Yes, Joshua. Please read this.
Have you ever observed magnets of any of above the shapes around you? These magnets of different shapes are used in various appliances used at home like tape recorder, radio, motor, doorbell, headphones, etc. These magnets are used in various appliances to either hold or separate, control, elevate, lift substances, changing electrical energy to mechanical energy, motors, loudspeakers, or mechanical to electrical energy, generators,
So
and microphones.
Yeah, so basically these electrical, they basically change the electrical energy into the mechanical energy. Now, what is mechanical energy? We will learn this chapter in the work and energy chapter. Okay, so but we will just get an idea what is mechanical energy. So mechanical energy is the any work which we are doing. Okay, it's formed in the mechanical energy. For example, I'm lifting the pen, so the pen is getting potential energy and kinetic energy, and the mixture of potential kinetic energy it's called as mechanical. We'll not go deep in that. We'll do that chapter first, then we will understand it. But the magnets just used in the loudspeaker and all this thing also. Yeah, please read this.
If a natural magnet is suspended freely with the help of a string, it always rests in the north-south direction. If the magnet is slightly turned from this direction, it still returns to the same. The end that rests towards the north is named as the North Pole, while the one which ends at the south is named as the South Pole. They are
Okay.
represented as N and S.
Yeah. See, listen, guys. For example, this is a magnet. Can you see my pencil? Yeah, it's a magnet. Or we can take a prop so that you can see it clearly. So, for example, this is a magnet. Okay. Now, if I will just tie a string, and if I will hang it on the wall, on the ceiling, then the magnet first move like this because it has motion, and then after sometimes it will come and it will become a rest like this. Okay, and you will see that if I will again disturb it like this, then after some time, after disturbing it also, it will come back to the same direction which was before. Why so?
Sir, I can't hear you.
Because, sorry, say it again. Johan, you were saying something. Say it now, please.
Sorry, sir. We had a small interruption. We couldn't hear what you last said.
Okay.
We didn't hear what you said, so can you repeat?
So you have any doubt? You want to ask any doubt?
No, sir. We didn't hear what you had said just
Okay. So, shall I continue?
Okay, sir.
No, you were asking something. Ask me. I didn't understand because your voice is not clear.
now. Sir, we had an
Uh,
interruption and we didn't hear what you had said. So,
okay. Yeah. So what was I'm saying? For example, there is a magnet. Okay, I held it with the string, and I just like hold that string or just tie that on the roof. Okay, on the ceiling. So what will happen? That the magnet will move like this, and after sometimes it will stop in this direction. For example. And if I will again disturb it, so if I will again disturb it, and then after some time it will again come back to this direction. Why it's so? Okay. Like for example, if you will check with the compass, then this direction is north pole and this direction is south pole. This direction is north and this direction is south. So you will check that the magnet is it's becoming same again and again. It's coming on the same direction like this. Why it's so? Because the Earth magnetic field. What happened? For example, for example, for example, this is Earth. For example, this is North Pole and this is South Pole. And the magnet, it's really suspended, is like this. For example, this is North Pole and this is South Pole. And you will check that the magnet is stuck here, and this is magnetic North Pole and this is magnetic South Pole. So why it's so? Why the magnet got stuck in one place, or it was moving before but now it's not moving? Because the magnet which are freely suspended is now uh, got suspended because of the Earth's magnetic field. Why? Because of the Earth's magnetic field. Basically, what happened that this North Pole is basically the if you will see the Earth magnetic field, then this Earth magnetic field is basically it is South magnet or South Pole. Yeah, we can write it like this: magnetic South Pole, and this is basically magnetic North Pole. So you can check that this is magnetic South Pole. That's why the north face is over to the North Pole, not Earth North Pole, because the magnetic South Pole is basically the Earth North Pole. Please remember this thing. The magnetic South Pole, okay, is basically the Earth North Pole. Okay. In the same way, the Earth South Pole is basically the magnetic North Pole. So that's why the
Sir, can you
south.
repeat that again, please?
Yeah, I'm repeating again. The magnetic South Pole, the magnetic South, because I told you Earth is also having a magnet. Okay, though the North Pole of the Earth is the magnetic South Pole. That's why in a bar magnet, the north is attracted towards the south because in the north, south magnetic pole is there. That's why it's suspended there. In the same way, the south pole of the Earth has the magnetic north pole. That's why the south part of a magnet, fully suspended magnet, is stuck towards the south pole because magnetic north pole is there. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, everyone? Yasharon, Jehovan, if you have any doubt, please ask me. No doubts? Doubt illa? Okay. So now, just draw the diagram. Please draw the diagram. Okay. Yeah. I'll show you one video. And I want to give shout out of this video to this mixed mass video. Okay, mixed mass video. So we will understand this clearly from this experiment. Okay. Okay. So yeah, over to this
को
video.
प्रयोगमा हामीले एउटा छरचुम्बकलाई स्वतन्त्रपूर्वक झुन्डाइयो भने त्यो उत्तर र दक्षिण फर्केर बस्छ भन्ने प्रमाणित गर्दैछौँ। त्यसका लागि एउटा स्ट्यान्डलाई यसरी चित्रमा देखाइए जस्तै गरेर फिट गरिएको छ।
I don't know the language, but what he's saying that there's a stand, and in that stand he just tied a string, and in that string tied he just attached the magnet into it. Okay, yeah.
र चुम्बकलाई ठिक बिचमा बाँधेर अनि यसलाई यो स्ट्यान्डमा झुन्डाइएको छ र चुम्बकलाई यसरी यसलाई के गरिएको छ त भन्दाखेरि ऱ्यान्डम
And he pushed the magnet when he suspended in that string, and he pushed it, and when the magnet is going to and fourth direction as oscillation.
मोसनमा छाडिएको छ। अब जबसम्म यो मोसनबाट रेस्टमा आउँछ तब यसले आफ्नो पोजिसन सेट गर्छ। त्यो पोजिसन कस्तो सेट गर्छ त भन्दाखेरि नर्थ पोलले नर्थ पोल देखाइरहेको हुन्छ र साउथ पोलले साउथ पोल देखाइरहेको हुन्छ। त्यो एकैछिन हामीले हेर्छौँ है त। अब यो लगभग
So he was saying that when he pushed it, okay, and when it is in motion, after some time, that he stopped in some direction, and the north magnetic pole is showing the north pole of the Earth, and the south magnetic pole is showing the south pole of the Earth. So what we have the answer. Why? Because the north pole of the Earth is basically south magnetic pole. And south and north they attract. That's why the north is suspended towards the north pole. Understood, guys? Did you understand, guys? Can you raise hands? Yeah, if you understand. Yeah. Sam, did you understand? Sam, did you understand this thing? This concept?
The one
Sam,
last
can you
time,
hear me?
please.
Yeah. See, what he's saying that when he pushed the magnet, after some time, it's just suspended in one direction. Like the north is showing the north Earth pole and the south is showing the south Earth pole. Why so? We got the reason. The reason is the north Earth pole is basically the south magnetic pole. The south magnetic pole, this north pole, and they suspended to each other because of the force of attraction. Understood? Yes or no? Did you understand, Sam?
Yes, I understood.
Hmm.
रेस्ट पोजिसनमा आइसकेको छ। यसले नर्थ पोल देखाइरहेको छ भने साउथ पोलले साउथ पोल देखाइरहेको छ। यसरी हामीले यो प्रयोगबाट के गर्न सक्छौँ त भन्दाखेरि फ्रिली झुन्डाइएको चुम्बक जहिलेसुकै उत्तर दक्षिण दिशातिर फर्केर बस्छ भन्ने प्रमाणित गर्न सक्छौँ। आजको
So you can see that the application of the compass, compass is also work in that. Many times, if you are near to the industrial area, the compass won't work. The compass won't work. Why so? Because the compass is based on the Earth's magnetic field, which is very weak. It's very weak. Okay, if you will go to the industrial area, they have big machines, and if they have big machines, they have big magnets also. The big magnets, the compass will not able to locate the north pole or the south pole. It will become confused, and like this it will go. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So the magnet is because of the Earth's magnetic field. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll end it here only. I hope you understood the concept and the meaning of that. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata, bye bye. Sabakesh. Tayo, Nara.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.